Want to give your League of Legends account a fresh new look? In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to change your in-game name. Now I'm clicking on play. It will take some time to take you to your gaming account. So this is your gaming account homepage. You will find all of your menu options on the top of your screen. Now click on the store option. It will take you to the next page. Click on your account. Now you can see these are all the Riot points if you want to purchase. Now scroll down a little bit and click on Riot ID change. Click on continue. Now sign in with your Riot username and password. Now you are in your Riot Games account management. Here you can see your game name and tagline. If you want to change, just change your name and tagline, then click on save changes. I cannot change because as you can see here, I will need 90 days more to change my ID name. So whenever you open Riot account, you will need to wait 90 days. Then you can change your name. Otherwise, you won't be able to change your name. I hope you all find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.